Hello everyone, how are you? Today I will tell you about a wallpaper problem that many people are suffering from it. As you see, I have a wallpaper and style option here. If you click here, then a wallpaper and style option appear. So some people suffering from it that it will not able to change uh, the wallpaper. So now we will have to go to the settings here and then apps, and you see that see all 74 apps. Click on here, and then here the top you see three dots. Click on three dots, reset app preferences. So basically reset app preferences don't doesn't harm your data, and you will not lose any app data. Then you have to reset apps. Now if we clear that and go to the wallpaper and style, so you can see the problem has been solved. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.